Hey viewers, welcome back to another video tutorial of PM by Passion Academy. In this video, we will discuss the rest of the questions of environmental degradation. So number 36 question. Which of the following salts are the main causes of temporary hardness? Calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate or magnesium carbonate? And the correct answer is magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate are the salts which are the main cause of temporary hardness. Number 37. According to the Geological Survey, water with less than 1000 ml per liter of total dissolved solids is dash: brine water, fresh water, slightly saline or moderately saline. And the correct answer is fresh water. Next. The amount of dissolved solids passing through the filters in the process of filtration is called independent of suspended solids, sum of total solids and suspended solids, difference between the total solids and suspended solids, or all of the above. And the correct answer is difference between total solids and suspended solids. Next, number 39 question. Which of the following units is used for measuring the turbidity of water? EAU, FNU, NTU or all of the above? And the correct answer is all of the above. All EAU, FNU and NTU, these are the measuring units for the turbidity of water. Next, which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Measles, typhoid, cholera or hepatitis? And this is very easy. Measles are not the waterborne disease. Why? Because this disease is transferred by the virus. Next, typhoid, cholera and hepatitis, these are the bacterial diseases and these are also waterborne diseases. But measles is a viral disease, not a bacterial disease or not waterborne disease. Next, number 41 question. Which of the following serves as an indicator of atmospheric pollution? Fern, liveworts, hornworts or epiphytic lichens? And the right answer is epiphytic lichens. Next, in 1984, the Bhopal gas tragedy took place because methyl isocyanate reacted with ammonia, reacted with water, reacted with DDT or reacted with CO2. And the correct answer is when methyl isocyanate reacted with water, then Bhopal gas tragedy takes place. Next, number 43. Negative soil pollution is reduction in soil productivity due to the erosion and overuse, reduction in soil productivity due to the addition of pesticides and industrial wastes. Now, option C, converting fertile land into hardened land by dumping ash, sludge and garbage, or none of the above. And what is the right answer? The right answer is reduction in soil productivity due to erosion and overuse. Next, number 44. Air pollution that occurs in sunlight is reducing smog, acid rain, oxidizing smog or fog. And air pollution that occurs in sunlight is oxidizing smog. Next question. The layer of atmosphere between 10 km to 50 km above the sea level is called, this is very easy and the right answer is stratosphere. Between 10 km to 50 km from the sea level is called stratosphere. Next, the concentration of dissolved oxygen in cold water can go up to 14 ppm, 8 ppm, 10 ppm or 16 ppm. And the correct answer is 10 ppm. Next, number 47. The quantity of DDT at each trophic level in the food chain is decreases, remains the same, increases or changes. And the correct answer is increases. The quantity of DDT at each trophic level in the food chain increases. Next, number 48. Formation of London smog takes place in winter during daytime, summer during daytime, summer during morning time or winter during morning time. And the formation of London smog takes place in winter during morning time. Bravery and sugar waste alter the quality of a water body by increasing temperature, turbidity, pH or COD and BOD. And the right answer is BOD and COD. Option D is the right answer. What is BOD and COD? BOD is biological oxygen demand and COD is chemical oxygen demand. In a coal-fired power plant, electrostatic precipitors are installed to control the emission of SO2, NO2, SPM or CO. And the correct answer is SPM. What is SPM? So SPM is suspended particulate matter. The electrostatic precipitors are installed to control emission of SPM or suspended particulate matter as it is cause the various respiratory disorders in humans. Next question. Number 51. Global climate is threatened by increase in concentration of oxygen, nitrogen, water vapors or greenhouse gases. And the right answer is greenhouse gases. Next, number 52. Ozone layer above Earth's atmosphere prevent infrared radiation from sun. Infrared rays reflected from Earth from escaping Earth's atmosphere prevent ultraviolet rays or UV rays from sun or reflect back radio waves. And the correct answer is ozone layer above Earth's atmosphere prevent UV rays from the sun. Next, number 53. Which of the following would be a natural pollution? Forest fires, eutrophication, occurrence of smog or occurrence of NO2 in atmosphere. And the correct answer is forest fires. Forest fires would be a natural pollution. Next, number 54. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Carbon monoxide is the major environment pollutant. This is right statement. All pollutants are not waste. This is absolutely wrong because all pollutants are the wastes. Because the name pollutants, it itself indicate a waste and all pollutants are not waste is the false statement. What is the right statement? The right statement is all pollutants are wastes. Number 55 question. The soil pollutants that affect the food chain and food web by killing microorganisms and plants are pathogens, chemical fertilizers, agricultural waste or pesticides. And the correct answer is pesticides. Next, number 56. The reason of pollution is population explosion, urbanization, industrialization or all of the above. And the answer is very clear. The reason of pollution is all of the above. All population explosion or overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization are the main reason, main cause of pollution. So all of the above is the right answer. Next, number 57. Major pollution causing agent is man, animals, hydrocarbon gases or none of the above. And here is answer also very clear. Mans are the major causing agent of pollution. Next, number 58. Which of the following strategy is not useful for global warming? Use of fossil fuel in limit, increase in forest, increasing use of nitrogen fertilizers, use of other options in the place of CFC or chlorofluorocarbon. And the correct answer is increase in forest. Next, number 59. The presence of ozone or O3 in the atmosphere of Earth hinders higher rate of photosynthesis, helps in checking the penetration of UV rays to Earth, has been responsible for increasing the average global temperature in the recent years, or option D is advantageous since it supplies oxygen for people traveling in jets. And the correct option is option B. That means it helps in checking the penetration of UV rays to Earth. Next, number 60. Formation of ozone hole is maximum over China, Antarctica, USA or India. And the correct answer is option B, Antarctica. Next, number 61. Pollution can be controlled by sewage treatment, manufacturing electrically operated vehicles, by checking atomic blast or all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. By doing all these things, we can control our pollution or environmental pollution. Number 62. The result of ozone hole is acid rain, UV radiations, global warming or greenhouse effect or GHG. And the correct answer is UV radiations. Option B is the correct answer. Next, number 63. Effect of pollution first marked on microorganisms, green vegetation of an area, food crop or none of the above. And the correct option is option B, green vegetation of an area. Number 64. A pollutant is any substance, chemical or other factor that changes natural geochemical cycles, natural balance of our environment, natural flora of a place, the natural wildlife of a region. And the correct answer is option B, natural balance of our environment. Next, number 65. The term biomagnification refers to growth of organism due to food consumption, increase in population size, blowing up environmental issues by man, or increase in the concentration of non-degradable pollutants as they pass through the food chain. And biomagnification is the increase in concentration of non-degradable pollutants as they pass through the food chain. Next, number 66. Which of the following units is used to measure the intensity of noise? Decibel, phone, hertz, which is indicates as Hz, or watts per milliliter. And the correct answer is decibel. Decibel is the only unit to measure the intensity of noise. Next, human ear is most sensitive to noise in which of the following frequency range? 1 to 2 kHz, 10 to 12 kHz, 100 to 500 kHz, or 13 to 16 kHz. And the correct answer is 13 to 16 kHz is the maximum noise frequency or maximum frequency range for the human ear. Next, number 68. Which of the following pairs regarding typical composition of hospitals waste is incorrect? Plastics 9 to 12%, ceramic 8 to 10%, metals 1 to 2%, or biodegradable 35 to 40%. And the incorrect one is biodegradable 35 to 40%, and the others plastic, ceramic and the metal concentration in hospital composition are the corrects. Next, number 69. Maximum soot is released from petrol vehicles, diesel vehicles, CNG vehicles, or thermal power plants, and the maximum number of soots are released from thermal power plants. Next, surface ozone is produced from transport sector, textile industry, carbon monoxide, or none of the above. And the right answer is transport sector. Surface ozone is produced from transport sectors. Next, 71. In the metro city of Kolkata, the major cause of air pollution is cement plants, chemical industry, hydrocarbons, or water vapors. And the correct answer is cement plants. Cement plants are the main cause of air pollution in Kolkata or metro cities. Next, number 72. Which of the following is the main discharge from coal-based power plants or thermal plants? SPM, smog, fly ash, or none of the above. And the correct answer is fly ash. Next, number 73. The chemical responsible for blue baby syndrome that is caused by restricted supply of oxygen to the brain is nitrates, fluorides, sulfates, or oxides. And the correct answer is nitrates. The chemical which is responsible for blue baby syndrome that is caused by restricted supply of oxygen to the brain is nitrates. Which of the following metal is responsible for many matter disease? Mercury, chromium, cadmium, or iron. And mercury is the only metal which is responsible for Minamata disease. Next, intake of lead may primarily cause damage of the brain, liver, lung, or kidney. And the right answer is brain. Intake of lead may primarily cause damage to the brain, not lung, not liver, not kidney. It only affects the brain part. Next, number 76. Which of the following geographic area is the largest source of carbon dioxide emissions from burning of fossil fuel? China, North America, Russia, or European Union? And the correct answer is North America. Number 77. Industries generating hazardous waste are classified as brown, yellow, green, or red. And the correct answer is red. Industries generating hazardous waste are classified as red. Next, 78. Which of the following greenhouse gases are entirely anthropogenic in origin? Water vapor, CFCs, or chlorofluorocarbons, carbon dioxide, or methane? And the correct answer is anthropogenic in origin gases are CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons are the only gases which are causes the greenhouse effect. Next, peroxyl nitrate or PAN is byproduct of photochemical smog, sulfurous smog, London smog, or none of the above. And the peroxyl nitrate or PAN is the byproduct of photochemical smog. Next, the balance in oxygen level is maintained by photosynthesis and cellular respiration, industrial emissions of gases, release of ozone in upper atmosphere, or none of the above. And the correct answer is the balance in oxygen level is maintained by photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So here we complete 80 questions of environmental pollutions which are very important for the CPET entrance and for the semester exams. So I hope you can understand this section. If you understand this question answer session, then you know what you have to do. Please do one like and share and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Take care.